This video contains information about spatial awareness and human performance. There's nothing more important than the safety of our guests and employees on the mountain. Being aware of your surroundings and ready to react is an important part of protecting yourself on the mountain. So what is spatial awareness? Spatial awareness is the ability to collect information from your surroundings and react to it both mentally and physically. Highly skilled athletes are better at using visual information than the average person and are able to react more quickly. With practice, athletes can learn to react to a signal as soon as it appears in the peripheral vision. Demonstrating spatial awareness. This video highlights how our brain processes information, so pay close attention.
Your attentional spotlight is only the size of your thumbnail, 1/1000th of your field of view. That means if I can see where your eye motion is, I can now navigate around that and do certain things. Plus, because you have to make choices between all your senses, your vision, your hearing, all those are coming into one spot. If I can tap into your priority system, I can now start hacking to reprioritize certain things so that other things will go under the radar. And that's a very interesting way to take advantage of attention. Try to follow along. If I put the cap on the pen, it looks like it goes away. Yet right now it's behind my elbow. If I put it back on the pen, it goes away, but now it's behind my ear. Now, if you did this slowly, you could see when I put the cap on the pen. Yet it seems like the cap went away. Now the cap is behind my ear. It's a fun game, isn't it?
What this video tells us is that there's too much information entering the visual cortex for the brain to process. And what we don't pay attention to, we don't see. Your attentional spotlight is roughly 1/1000th of your field of view. Being aware of your surroundings helps prevent collisions. Whether it's between yourself and a guest, your student and a guest, or yourself and a student, exercising spatial awareness is so important to reducing these incidents on the hill. Spatial awareness games and drills. To really start changing behaviors and affecting collision injuries, we need to train performance with spatial awareness drills. It's important to warm up our senses. Just like we warm up our muscles, you can help develop better spatial awareness for yourself, your peers, and your guests by using warm-up games and drills that include spatial awareness elements. Your supervisors and managers have a book of 30 spatial awareness games and drills for morning meetings and lesson start. Ask them for a copy. These activities are great active warm-up at morning meetings for you and your fellow instructors, and they are just as usable with your guests at the start of your lesson. Ask yourself these questions. Have I warmed up my senses for the day? Am I ready to react to the unexpected? Are my students developing spatial awareness skills?